Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisaandthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you in network marketing and using Facebook Lives to get leads for your business, but people just aren't reaching out to you? Well, pay close attention because in this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple technique called the CTA delay that will get more people open to wanting to know more about your product, service, or business opportunity. Now, when you're doing Facebook Lives, you have to understand this. 93% of the people who watch your Facebook Live are not going to be ready to buy. They need more information. So what most people tend to do when they do a Facebook Live is they're going to send them right to, the call to action. They put the link in the video description, or they put the link in the comments section, and they expect people to go over and check it out and either buy their product or join them in business. That doesn't work, okay? What you want to do is you want to start training the people who are watching your videos. You want them to be reaching out to you for more information, on more tips, more strategies. And then you use this call to action delay, the CTA delay, that is going to get them to want to know more about your product, service, or business opportunity. So let me explain to you how this works. We're going to use a health and wellness example, okay? So let's say you are targeting, you're in the health and wellness industry, you have weight loss supplements. Your target market is the first-time moms who are looking to lose that pregnancy weight, okay? And they're really struggling with that. So you go and you do a Facebook Live, and you talk about maybe the 5 superfoods that can help you lose weight without wanting to overeat. So you share those foods, and these foods could be found in the local grocery store. Your call to action can be, hey, thanks for watching. If you got value, leave a comment and share. And if you would like my 3 favorite smoothie recipes using these ingredients, which doesn't take long to prepare, and they're absolutely delicious, send me a Facebook message and I will be more than happy to share them with you. Okay? So that call to action is, people will want those tips. All right, they're going to want that smoothie recipe, especially if you gave them great value with the types of foods. All right, those superfoods. So when they reach out to you, okay, they reach out to you on Facebook and they send you the Facebook message saying, yes, I'm interested. What you want to do next is you don't want to be too eager and give them those recipes just yet. You want to wait a few minutes and you want to give them this message where you're going to say, hey, thanks for reaching out and wanting the smoothie recipes. I will get them to you as soon as I get back to my computer in my office. By the way, just curious, how is your weight loss journey going so far? That's the CTA delay, because now what you're doing is you are getting them to open up more to you about what their big pain points are, okay? And you have them tell that to you. Well, I'm doing this has been tough, and you can say, okay, just curious, are you taking any type of supplements? Well, no, I'm not. And you can say, you know what? I've been looking to lose a little bit of weight myself. I tried this product, and in the first couple of days that I used it, I felt an immediate difference in my body. I started losing weight and having more energy. If you see what I see, I think you would be excited by that too. Are you open to taking a look at trying a sample if this will help you? If not, no big deal. Okay, see how we did that? We kind of went into that progression about, having them want to know about smoothie recipe. Then you're going to come back and you're getting more information from them about what their big pain points are. And then you see if they're open to taking a look at your product. So you can see how effective this is. The goal, remember the goal, 93% of the people who watch your videos need more information. And that information is going to be part of with you building the know, like, and trust factor. So it's going to center around building conversations over conversions. So try the CTA delay. It's very, very effective. I have more people reaching out to me when I use this technique. And more importantly, they're more open to either trying a sample or looking at the video or wanting to learn more about my business. So do this step. You're going to find that it's really going to help improve your results. If you got value today, leave a comment and share. And if you're not a member of my newsletter, go to workwithdrlisathompson.com, put in your best email address, and I'll start sending updates to your email box with my latest tips and strategies on how you can build a full-time income working only part-time, leveraging the internet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.